How to change your Fido mobile plan eSIM in 2025. I'm going to tell you how to change your Fido mobile plan using eSIM in 2025. First, open the Fido My Account app or website if you're on Android and go to the Phone tab, then tap Change SIM next to the line you want to update. Fido will send you a verification code via SMS to confirm if it's really you. After you enter that code, choose eSIM as your new plan type. You can either scan the QR code directly on your device to install the eSIM or enter the voucher number if you received a physical eSIM voucher. Follow the prompts until it confirms the switch, then restart your phone to activate the eSIM profile. If you're upgrading to a new phone, My Account also lets you transfer the existing eSIM to your new device. It'll generate a QR code you scan with the new phone, then you complete the process and reboot to activate.